Oh, guys, here's a quick update on where I'm at with the speaker CigarBox project. Just a quick update. I'm not going to do a long video. So, I have tested the system. I know this system works. It doesn't sound great right now, but it's not in a box. So I'm wondering if maybe putting it inside a box will help with bring out the deeper, richer sounds, because this thing did sound awesome back in the day. I started trying to find the hardware that I'm going to use to put the speakers in, drill a hole and put the screws through to attach the speakers. And I started pulling out all the hardware that I have, all my fasteners, and I decided for some reason that I was going to organize them. So that's what I've been doing most of the evening, besides listening to a particular someone's stream. So that's where I'm at with this. It's not very far, but it's an update. And very shortly here, I'm going to get to use my wife's awesome Dremel that we got at a store for like 15 bucks, and it's wireless. It's not the most powerful thing ever, but it came with a bunch of tools. And for another €6 or €7, we got this kit, which is just amazing. It's got so much stuff in it. So yeah, for under €30, we have an awesome set that I'm going to use to do this project. Probably doing some soldering with my €7 soldering iron. But yeah, that's where I'm at. Let me know what you guys think. If you like these updates, I can continue to do them, or if you want, I can stream while I'm doing it, or make a longer video. It's really what you guys think. Let me know in the comments. Thank you. Bye.